Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan. This lesson is based on page 21 and is about colors. Let's start learning some colors. Right, let's start with some primary colors such as red, blue and yellow and other secondary colors as well. Okay, these are the 6 colors. Let's try with those. Masculine form and feminine form. As usual, everything is gender based. Let's go. Let's start with blue. Blue, azraqu. 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 And feminine form is zarqa'u. Zarqa'u. Azraqu, zarqa'u. Next one, asfaru. Asfaru, that's yellow. Asfaru. Asfaru. Feminine form is sofra'u. Next one, black, aswadu. Aswad. Aswadu. And sauda. Sauda'u. Next one, abyadu, white. Abyadu. Abyadu. Bayda'u. Bayda'u. Red, ahmaru. 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 Hamra'u. Hamra'u. Green, akhdaru. Akhdaru. Khadra'u. Let's write that again. Akhdaru. Khadra'u. Akhdaru. Khadra'u. Khadra'u. Here we are. A little bit of analysis for you. Azraqu, can you notice something there in this set of colors? They have something in common. The first is, all of them, they have the same pattern, the same ringtone. Azraqu, asfaru, aswadu, abyadu, ahmaru, akhdaru. Then you notice that they are all carrying a single vowel, dhamma. We cannot say azraqun. This set of colors, they are special, they have a special rules in Arabic. That rules, which is known as diptote. Don't worry about diptote. When we come to that later in grammar, I will simplify it for you. But for now, just know that you are not allowed to put tenween, double vowel, on any of this set of colors, 6 of them. Yeah? And you see the feminine form, also, they are not carrying ta marbuta. Until now, we learned that ta marbuta is the sign of feminine. But this set of colors, this set of words, they don't behave that way. Instead, there is a rearrangement of the letters. It's the same letters, more or less. Azraqu. Now this hamza now is put on this alif, and it's at the beginning in the male or masculine version. Azraqu zarqaw. Here you have the first this letter 2 and 3. They swap the vowel. Here you have sukun and you have fatha, but here it was sukun and then followed by fatha. So a very strange rearrangements going on there. The good news, not many of those. So learn these as they are. Azraqu, that's a blue, that's masculine. Zarqa'u, that's blue and that's feminine. And then you have asfaru, yellow. Sofra'u, yellow, feminine form. Aswadu, black. Sauda'u, black, feminine form. Abyadu, white. Bayda'u, white, feminine form. Ahmaru, red. Ahmaru, red. Hamra'u, red, feminine form. Akhdaru, green. Khadra'u, green, feminine form. Now let's use the colors that we have just learned. Let's use them in a short sentence. Short sentences. Number 1. This crocodile is green. Crocodile is timsahun. So you say هذا because مذكر. هذا التمساح أخضر. And أخضر is green and that is masculine form. هذا التمساح أخضر. Number 2. This tortoise is green. This tortoise is green. هذه السلحفاة خضراء. So we use the feminine form of green. This is أخضر, masculine, because we're talking about timsah. And خضراء is feminine form because we are talking about سلحفاة, which is feminine. Number 3. This parrot is blue. This parrot is blue. هذا الببغاء أزرق. This parrot is blue. Number 4. This butterfly is blue. هذه الفراشة زرقاء. Next one. This camel is yellow. هذا الجمل أصفر. هذا الجمل أصفر. Next one. This fish is yellow. This fish is yellow. هذه السمكة صفراء. هذه السمكة صفراء. Number 7. Number 7 is this snake is red. هذا الثعبان أحمر. هذا الثعبان أحمر. Next. This ant is red. هذه النملة حمراء. هذه النملة حمراء. Next one. This rabbit is white. This rabbit is white. هذا الأرنب أبيض. هذا الأرنب أبيض. Next one. This pigeon or dove This pigeon is white. This pigeon is white. هذه الحمامة بيضاء. هذه الحمامة بيضاء. Next one. This crow is black. هذا الغراب أسود. هذا الغراب أسود. Last one. This cat is black. This cat is black. هذه القطة سوداء. هذه القطة سوداء. Now this concludes what is on page 21. But as usual, I think I'll give you extra practice as well. Now this section is an extension to page 21. More practice. The more we practice, the better. Practice makes perfect, as they say. Let's go. Number one, the new computer is black. So computer is hasubun. When you say the, you need al-hasubu. So we say al-hasubul jadidu. You're defining both of them. It's a direct adjective. Therefore, exactly what is happening to the noun is happening to the adjectives. Noun is defined, the adjective is defined, ending in u. This is also ending in u. Then we drop the al here to embed this verb to be, which is now simply embedded. As what is black. The new computer is black. Number two, this blue car is fast. The same principle. This is feminine now. هذه السيارة الزرقاء سريعة. You can see now this is color blue and it's a feminine form. It's acting as a direct adjective to the car. هذه السيارة الزرقاء سريعة is fast. Number three, the yellow ball is light. الكرة الصفراء خفيفة. الكرة الصفراء خفيفة. Number four, that old chair is blue. ذلك الكرسي القديم أزرق. ذلك الكرسي القديم أزرق. Number five, the narrow bed is yellow. The narrow bed is yellow. السرير الضيق أصفر. السرير الضيق أصفر. Number six, that red candle is short. تلك الشمعة الحمراء قصيرة. So we have تلك الشمعة الحمراء قصيرة. Number seven is this green box is heavy. هذا الصندوق الأخضر ثقيل. هذا الصندوق الأخضر ثقيل. Number eight, that white horse is slow. ذلك الحصان الأبيض بطيء. ذلك الحصان الأبيض بطيء. Number nine, the white door is red. الباب الواسع أحمر. الباب الواسع أحمر. Next one. Number 10. The small frog is green. الضفدعة الصغيرة الصغيرة خضراء. الضفدعة الصغيرة خضراء. Number 11. That black bag is old. تلك الحقيبة السوداء قديمة. تلك الحقيبة السوداء قديمة. Last one. The tall fridge is white. الثلاجة الطويلة بيضاء. الثلاجة الطويلة بيضاء. Hopefully, the structure has been established now. It's now up to you to experiment with this structure. It's going to give you a huge capacity to construct correct sentences in Arabic. All you need is more vocabulary, more nouns, more adjectives. You know a lot of adjectives already, a lot of nouns. Just look at the useful nouns around you and construct sentences using the structure that you have learned so far. You have learned a lot. Just try your best and be brave to use them. Well done. أحسنتم. Goodbye. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله.